make sure to follow my steps if you want to fix the Rainbow Six Siege not launching issue. So for the first step, go to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. After that, look for the launcher that you have the game on, for example Steam. If you do find the icon displaying right here, so right click on it and then select exit. Just wait for a couple of moments. After that, go to the search and type in device manager. Once done, now all you have to do is to search for display adapters, open it, and then make sure to select your graphics card. Do not select the integrated one. So right click on it and then select update driver. After that, select the first option and click on close. Now for the next step, open your launcher again. After that, go to your library and select collections. Now scroll down and search for Rainbow Six Siege. I do have it right here but not installed, so the game must be installed. After selecting it, go to this gear icon and select properties. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish. It will start by verifying the original files of the game, and any missing file or even corrupted files will be automatically fixed and recovered without the need to install the game from the start. Alternatively, you can go to the general option. In the command prompt, type in -dx11 like this. After that, you can close everything, and before even trying to relaunch the game and see if it works, I recommend going to the Windows icon right here and try restarting your computer. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing, and see you on the next one.